6. Employee referral programs. There are many companies out there that are willing to pay you a hefty referral bonus if you can help bring their business qualified new employees. If you have relationships with any recruiters or happen to know a lot of people, this could be a simple method for you to earn some extra money for very minimal effort. Even if you don't know many people, you can use the internet to find hundreds of potential prospects that you can refer to these companies. Currently, one of the most likely professions to offer bonuses are in the IT industry because of their high demand. This can be a great opportunity for you because you can find an abundance of IT professionals online who are looking for work. In order to become an employee referrer, here are some simple steps that you can take. You might be surprised to know that more companies have referral programs than not, which can open up a lot of opportunities for you to find them employees. If you're not sure if a company has a referral program, all you have to do is give them a call and find out. Be sure to inquire about any conditions they have before bonuses are paid out. A couple of good examples of online companies that offer referral bonuses are HubSpot and Atlassian. Both of these companies offer a massive $30,000 and $2,000 referral bonus respectively. The best part is those bonuses are not restricted to current employees. Anyone can make a referral and be eligible for the cash payouts. You will, however, need to check with each company for any conditions that need to be met before a referral payout is made. If you currently work with a company that has a referral program, that would be one of the best places to start. Companies tend to heavily favor referrals from people who already work for their company, so your chances of success will be much higher. Check with people in your network and see if any of them are looking for a job. Go to freelancing sites such as Freelancer, Guru, Upwork, etc., and browse through some of the profiles of people working on those sites. Start communicating with people who have good ratings, qualifications, and sound good, and ask them if they would be interested in a more regular job. When you locate prospects, you can then refer them to the HR of the company you are working with. If they get hired, you will get paid. Another option is to build relationships with other recruiters. By doing this, you can get their lists of current job openings where the companies are desperate for new employees. This type of relationship can turn out to be very lucrative. Use jobhubble.com. Jobhubble is an online recruiting platform that's made specifically for companies seeking new employees through referrals, sharing their jobs online via social media channels. Jobhubble helps companies increase their social exposure by tapping into networks of recruiters with established social networks and who are willing to share their job openings online. When a person gets hired for a position, the social recruiter will earn a cash reward. All you would have to do is share the job openings on your social media networks and get in touch with friends and other potential clients you've found with other methods discussed in this article. If any company hires someone through any of your referrals, you'll get paid. So how much could you make from being an employee referrer? Bonuses can range anywhere from as little as $50 all the way up to tens of thousands. Some companies are now starting to offer other rewards rather than just money too. How much you can get paid will depend on the type of position needed. The more qualifications the person needs and the more the job pays, the more you will get paid.